Hi guys, Miss H here, creator of Meg's Music Room. It's time for Solving the Recorder Mystery, Mission 8, Decoding Low D and High D. So let's go ahead and get started. To complete Mission 8, you have 3 assignments. Assignment number 1, learn the fingering for low D and high D. Assignment number 2, learn how to read and play low D and high D on the music staff. And assignment number 3, learn the differences between low D and high D. Before we get started, if you're still having a hard time remembering that your left hand goes on the top and your right hand goes on the bottom, you can put a sticker on your left hand and that'll remind you that that's the hand that has to go on top. So here's your left hand. Ta-da! Also remember the 2 hints to fix your squeaking. Number 1, blow warm, soft air like you're fogging up a window. And number 2, make sure that you're covering the holes all the way. And now, Mission 8, decoding low D and high D. Assignment number 1, learn the fingerings for low D and high D. First, the fingering for low D is T, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if you have your hands like this, T, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On your recorder, remember you have the thumb hole on the back for T. 1, 2, 3. Remember that period in the middle? That tells you to switch to the other hand. So you have T, 1, 2, 3 with your left hand. Then 4 is with your right hand. 5, 6. This is my favorite note because you have your little pinky sticking up, and once you get good at it, it's a really fun note to play. So this is low D. T, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's see if you can echo after me. Remember to blow warm, soft air and get all of your holes covered all the way. My turn first. For the second part of assignment number 1, you have to learn the fingering for high D. Every note that you've learned so far uses your thumb and your first finger, but not high D. High D uses 2 only. So you have to put your second finger, that's the tall man finger, on your left hand on the second hole right here. You cannot cover your thumb hole and you cannot cover your first hole. So your thumb will be off and your first finger will be off. Some of you are going to try to put your first finger down. That can't happen. That's not his house. So if you put your first finger on your second tone hole, someone might call the cops because you're in the wrong house. So make sure your second finger is on the second hole. That is the only finger that is on the tone holes. Now in order to make that so you don't like drop your whole recorder, make sure and use your right hand, that's the one over here, and hold on to it like that. And then you can put your thumb a little bit to the side if you need to, and that might help you out also. So this is high D, 2 only. Copy off of me. My turn first. Once you can echo after me playing low D and high D, then you have completed assignment number 1. Now for assignment number 2, you have to learn how to read and play them on the music staff. Let's start with low D again. I have my music staff right there, and I'll put a real music staff on the page too. Low D lives in the space just below the bottom line. So it goes right here, and it just barely taps that bottom line, but it's a space note right below the staff right there. And it looks low on the music staff because it's low D. So it looks low and it sounds low. High D on the music staff is the 4th line. Remember how we talked about Elvis's guitar broke down Friday last lesson? The down is the high D. See how it's high on the music staff? This is low D, high D, low D, high D. High D looks high on the music staff and it sounds high on the music staff. It's that simple. Now let's read and play some rhythms on the music staff. I'll play it first and then you echo after me. If you need a bigger challenge, look at the end of the video. I put all of those rhythms at the end without the fingering chart and without me playing it for you, so you can learn how to read it by yourself. My turn first, and I'll play each of these 2 times. Those were low D. Now let's do some high D. My turn first. Once you can read and play low D and high D on the music staff, then you have completed assignment number 2. So for assignment number 3, we're going to learn the differences between low D and high D. First, let's talk about the look and the sound between the 2 different notes. Low D looks lower on the music staff, and so it sounds lower. High D looks higher on the music staff, so it sounds higher. On the recorder, low D looks lower because all of the holes are covered except for this lowest number 7. High D looks way higher because it's only the 2nd finger covered. Low D, high D, low D, high D, low D, high D. Now for something that we've never talked about before, the science of the sound. First, the difference between low D and high D is called an octave. An octave is 8 notes. You go D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D. 8 notes. Let me explain it to you first, and then I'll show you a picture, and that'll help a lot. The sound waves for high D are twice as frequent as the sound waves for low D. So when you have 1 low D wave, you're going to have 2 high D waves. Now let me show you the pictures. That's going to really help. The blue line is the sound wave for low D. Now I'll add the green line to it. The green line has twice as many waves on that page. So that makes it twice as fast. And so if it's twice as fast, it's going to be an octave higher. So that's how they make an octave. Now back to music class.
Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one.
It's time to read and play low D and high D. Now these pages are going to alternate between low D and high D so that you get used to going back and forth between low D, T1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and high D, 2 only. And if you need a bigger challenge again, just look at the end, and I took out the fingering chart so you can just try to do it on your own. My turn first. Once you can read and play low D and high D on your recorder, congratulations. You have completed mission number 8. Next time on Solving the Recorder Mystery, Mission 9, Decoding Low C and High C. In Mission 9, I will teach you how to read and play low C and high C on the music staff. So I hope you'll join me again next time on Solving the Recorder Mystery. Thank you for watching. Check out my recorder videos and my music minutes. Subscribe to my channel for updates. Click the links in the description below for my social media sites and for other great resources. And don't forget Meg's Music Room, a music teacher's best friend. Hey teachers, if you would like the graphics from this video, plus a quick assessment and an ad-free, promo-free downloadable version of this video, then check the link in the description below.